All right, Ms. Drummer, you're back.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, and you're back. Wait a minute.
Probably a little bit more bitter today.
Wait a minute. What's that ring on your finger?
Listen, like I told
Y'all got married? So I don't have to do child support today?
No, well, see, what happened was, you know, like I told
I'm
you,
confused.
She was jealous because I was dating.
Okay.
And so me and my young lady, we went ahead and we did that thing. We did it.
What thing is that?
What you think? I wiped up. That's why she's so mad.
Okay, so wait a minute.
Just when you think you've seen it all in court, this man walks in wearing a wedding ring and claims it's his get out of child support free card, but the judge isn't buying it. His casual confession and smug attitude send shockwaves. Through the courtroom, is he dodging responsibility or just in over his head? You won't believe what's revealed.
Is it with the woman that you have, or either of the women that you have the 3 kids back?
Judge, you don't have to judge your boy. No, this is the new lady that I was telling you about last time.
Okay, so the 3
lady
kids
doesn't even speak English, ma'am. And look, Judge.
Listen, she is from. She's listen. Okay, she's from Venezuela.
They're not in love. This is
okay.
She's paying him to marry.
Afro-Venezuelan lady. You should see. I mean, just
For a green card.
Okay, so let me just make sure that I follow you.
Yeah.
So the woman you married is not one of the women with the 3 kids you already have? It's a yes or no?
No.
Okay.
Things take a bizarre turn when the judge discovers that the woman this man married isn't even the mother of the children in question. In fact, she doesn't speak English and may have paid him. Though confusion piles up, the courtroom grows tense, and we're left wondering, is this about love or a loophole?
And the 2 of you aren't married?
No.
Okay. This is interesting. All right, so I have the DNA results, and you are indeed the father.
That's all good.
I told you. He looks just like you.
Well, I mean, you know what? You and your brother look just alike too.
Well,
okay?
I mean,
all right.
that's what they say.
Well, should they look alike if, they're related?
Listen. I don't have a problem taking care of my kids. My kids is laced with the best looking clothes. Have you seen my kids?
No,
Fly,
but you know
fresh.
what I do want to see, or what I want to draw your attention to are these documents that you gave me so we can see how much your child support obligation is about to be. Make it quick.
Boom DNA, results are in. And yes, he is the father. But instead of owning up, he throws shade with a brother comparison and excuses. The tension hits new heights as the mother demands accountability. And the judge pulls out the paperwork that will change everything. Next up, real numbers, real consequences.
I got a few kids. I just got back from my honeymoon. Funds are a little bit tight, so
She's paying him. He got the money. She paid him to marry him. For a green card.
We're in a recession. It's a lot going on right now. I haven't been laying as much pipe as I
Right,
normally
and a
do.
lot is going on with you doing a whole lot of talking and not saying much of anything. So what I would like to do is, and ma'am, I do not need
your mama
you.
tell her she
Excuse
better
me,
still, refer
Miss
to my
Drummer,
kid.
Miss Drummer, I do not need your help. Okay, not at all. If
Sorry,
you want
Judge.
me to help you and get
my
some
mama
support
out.
going for you, then you need to not entertain him as much, okay?
The excuses flow as fast as the lies. From honeymoon blues to recession woes, he claims he can't pay. But the judge isn't having it. And when Miss Drummer jumps in, why, the judge shuts it down. Who's playing who harand, who's about to lose big?
She just mad.
You understand that? You're just mad too. You're just mad because these numbers are not about to look real good with your recession that you have going over there. But anywho, how much money do you make a year?
I mean, before expenses and taxes.
That was not my question, sir. How much
about
money do you make a year?
$65,000. But I have to pay for gas and pipe and PVC.
Oh,
It's so
okay.
much stuff that I have to pay for, Judge.
Right.
Oh, right.
I'm
Just
a plumber.
like anybody else has to pay for things. So
Under pressure, he finally drops a number $65,000 a year. But his attempt to deduct PVC pipe and gas money falls flat fast. The courtroom is over it, and the tension rises. Reality is setting in. And the financial reckoning is just moments away. Stick around. It's about to get very real.
So $65,000 a year. I have your gross calculated at $5,416. That would bring your net down to $4,383.27. And how many, you said you all have 2 children. You have
They're my
3
boys.
previously.
That's my daughter, that's my
So
son.
All right, based on 19%, you're going to get a credit for that. Child support is, don't thank me yet. Child support is $832.
Oh, no, it's rigged.
Yes.
And then,
No.
now,
Thank you.
Miss Drummer, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
All right, how much is health insurance?
$236 for
You
both.
take them kids
For
down
both
to the county
children?
hospital.
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's math time, and the numbers don't lie. With deductions, dependents, and child count considered, the judge calculates the monthly damage. As the total climbs, you can see the panic set in, but wait, there's more. Health insurance costs are next, and yes, they count.
$832 plus the $236 for health insurance, you're going to reimburse that. That comes out to $1,068 a month for
Thank
child
you.
support.
So her and Pickle and Pepper Man can kick it? That's all she gonna use it for? I buy all the kids' clothes.
Judge, I have moved on. I have an electrician
He
now.
has too.
I don't even need no more plumbers.
Okay, well, guess what? And I don't need to see either of you anymore because I made my ruling. So is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further?
Can I speak to your manager?
Is there anything further,
Manager?
sir?
No,
If there's
it ain't.
nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Goodbye.
$1,068 a month. That's the judge's final ruling. His stunned reaction, comic relief, but the consequences are real. The case closes with a mic drop, but not before a few petty parting shots. Justice was served, but was growth achieved? If this story made you laugh, sigh, or shake your head, drop a comment, share your thoughts, and don't forget to follow for more real courtroom moments that show just how wild real life can be.